Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the ProLok number ESP-170-C. This is a 4 7/8 chrome strike plate is what it is. This is a strike plate that is made of steel. It has a chrome plating on it, and that's polished chrome. No other way to call that but polished chrome plating over steel. This is a 4 7/8 strike, which is going to be the standard size for a hollow metal frame. You'll occasionally see it in wood frames as well. Certainly if you're using commercial hardware that is packaged standard with a 4 7/8 strike, you'd see that in a wood frame. Now, this is an 1.25 inch strike, and what that means, well, it's not the width of the strike. What it really means is the dimension from the center line of the screw holes to the edge of the lip. Okay? That dimension from the center line here to the edge of the lip. 1.25 inch, very typical, very common. If what you need is the standard strike plate, 1.25 inch is it. 1 5/16, always something in that range, but 1.25 inch, very common. Now, what makes this strike unusual? Well, it's the large cutout that's been done in it. That large cutout is about 3 inch tall. Now, why are you going to use this? Well, a variety of applications. First of all, you might just need a polished chrome strike plate, and the cost of this is attractive, and the fact that it's a full cutout doesn't bother you at all. You can that's one. Number two, you might have a mortise lock where you're going to fit a lock and a deadbolt into a strike. You could probably make that work real easy. No problem about that whatsoever. So 3 inches is what that prep was. So that means that you're going to have basically 15/16 from either end. Okay. 15/16 from the top of the prep, from the top of the strike down to where the prep starts. 15/16 here and here. Now, another way that you could use this is, imagine if you had a hollow metal frame that had a strike at a certain preparation, and you were replacing the door only. And let's say that the preparation on the existing frame called out for a strike prep that was 43 11/16. I'm not making these numbers up, it's an actual manufacturer's dimension. But it turns out that the door you're going to get, the lock location is about 3/8 of an inch lower. You could probably use this strike, use that new door where the lock prep doesn't match up exactly, and be able to have that latch fallen down a bit lower, allowing you to use a door that is not custom. So people will use these long slotted strikes because they've got a lock prep that's not in the proper location based on the frame prep. You could have a situation where you've done a hollow metal frame and you drilled that lock in the door 1/2 inch off, too high. You could save the day, save the door, and just get a strike like this, assuming that it's appropriate to use a strike with a large cutout. If you've got a hollow metal frame, surely it will have a welded dust box in the back of it, so this should work out really well for you. Okay. But in general, I don't really find that it's used by design and from the get-go. Someone using a strike with a large cutout, it's to mitigate another situation, is what I find. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can view not only all of the ProLok products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to some helpful ProLok installation videos, some other helpful tips, but also a link to the full ProLok product catalog, which delves into material that is related to the locksmithing industry. ProLok is a name synonymous with locksmithing tools, so that link to the core product catalog is absolutely locksmithing related. The catalog where you'll find security door hardware, latch protectors, U-shaped reinforcing wraparound plates, window hardware, door hardware is under the ProLok Armor catalog, and it's in that catalog where you'll find this strike and all of their sister products. If you have any questions on the ProLok number ESP-170-C, 4 7/8 strike, or any other ProLok product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.